as the ratchet turns.
Early and I would like to really thank you for all the folks who came to our shop for to service your vehicles. We do appreciate it, and we hope that you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce to you the Singing Mechanics.
We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you wherever you are, good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you for coming to our business to let us service you, your car. No, I don't like that either, so start over.
Okay.
It's not live, is it?
Yes. This is Facebook Live. Hey, this is the ratchet turns. Okay, ready?
I need cue cards.
Just swing it, Jim. You got
All
it.
right. Merle, let's do it. Let's make it happen. We'll be the talk of the town.
Going to wrap up another episode of Baz and Ratchet Turns here at Jim Van Dyke's Automotive and Tire Center. Don't forget to give us a call or stop out and see us. 740-335-2000. We're here for all your automotive repairs and service needs.